Hi there! Welcome to Weiskopf's how-to videos. Today I'm going to show you how to use your FreshDesk software. First of all, you need to navigate to the page to log in. It's probably located on your desktop. Let's enter our email and password. Click Log In. Here's your main menu, and you have several functions here. You can enter a new support ticket, check the ticket status over here. There's also a general knowledge base area here. It can help you with OneDrive sync issues, how to use a snipping tool, how to create an Outlook contact group, and you've got the terms and conditions here as well. At the top, you've got a navigation menu bar, and there's Home, Solutions, and Tickets. So from here, what I want to do first is create a new support ticket. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the plus sign or anywhere here. When you hover above it, you'll see it highlights. So I'm going to double click this. And I have my ticket submission box here. I need to fill it out. So let's go ahead and enter our subject and the description. And if you see the red asterisk, this means that it's a required field, so you cannot submit it without it. Perfect. I've got several options in the description box here. I can change my font. I can align my text and enter bullet points. I can change the font color or the back color. And here, most importantly, I can insert a link, attach a picture, or remove the formatting. So I have this option as well. So let's see. If I want to insert a link, I can insert a link or uninsert it. So let's go ahead and copy this link. Right-click, copy, insert my link, right-click and paste, and then I can also write a descriptive text. I have the option of opening it in a new tab, and then click Insert. Perfect. You can go in and edit this too. I can enter a space. And you can see if you hover over it that it turns a different blue, so you know that there's actually a link there. Perfect. I can insert a picture, so you can select to upload it from a file. It's quite big. I can insert a link to the image if I want, or I can delete my image here. I can also attach a document. If I want a supporting document to this ticket, I can attach it here. You hover over it and then click Attach, and you can attach from File or from OneDrive, so from the shared system. Once you've selected your file and inserted Attach, you can see your file has been attached here. And you have the option of clicking on the X to remove it, or just leave it and submit if it's the right file. However, if you want to edit it, you can just exit out, and then look for the correct file if you've made a mistake. And again, I see it here, and I can click the Submit button. And I'm all done. Here's my support ticket. Now, in this menu here, there are several things you can do. You can reply to a ticket by clicking here. You can mark the ticket as closed by clicking here. Or you can assign it to other people in your team. So let's go ahead and try to assign it. Or you can include additional people you'd like to add to this ticket. In that case, you just have to keep typing more emails. You can either click Enter or Return or the semicolon to actually make this as a contact. So once you're done, you can click Add People. And now it assigns additional people to this conversation or to this ticket. Now from this menu, you can click on Home, and it takes you back if you need to enter additional support tickets. You can click on Tickets to see all the tickets we've created, and you can see our test one over here. Or you can click on Solutions to see possible ways to solve your ticket problems. However, let's go ahead and see our ticket, and it's here. You can hover over it, double click, and we can see the ticket we've created. Now, if we want to reply to it, we simply just click Reply, and then we can send a message to whoever created the ticket. Write your message. Again, you have the option to attach files, attach pictures, links, to format the text, and so forth. And then once you're done, you can click Reply. And now you can see the string. This is the history of what happened. And once you're done and the ticket has been resolved, you can go ahead and click this button here, and now it marks it as closed. And there you have it. This is how you enter a new support ticket with FreshDesk. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to check back for more how-to videos, and also click the subscribe button to stay up to date on new how-to videos.